everyone. So I was soaking my air plants earlier today when I heard a knock at the door, and I was so excited. I received my Calathea Rufibarba much earlier than I expected. I expected it to show up actually in 2 days. It showed up today instead. The box was really well marked, saying that it was fragile and which way to hold it, but it was really apparent. I started cutting into it right here, and one of the things that I could tell right away was, I was like, oh look, there's potting mix stuck to the tape. And I thought, yeah, no, this, though it had directions not to tip the plant had definitely been probably upside down a few times, which happens in shipping. You know, that's something that you can't always help. However, I wasn't really sure what the plant would look like, since I knew already it had been probably upside down and I had soil coming out before it was fully out. So as soon as I pulled it back, I could see there was a lot of potting mix here, but not too much, right? Just some had gotten loose. That was obvious. So I put it on the floor inside of another box and started to open it this way. And that way I just made sure that it wasn't tipped, even on its side to open it and pull it out. I wanted to really make sure that I kept sort of the integrity of the packaging and of the way the plant had been potted, because I do like to leave my new plants in my house in their original pots for usually at least about a week. After that, you know, once they've acclimated, they've gotten used to the environment, that's when I really start thinking about repotting them. And here it is. Oh, this Rufibarba is so beautiful. It is the first plant that I've purchased for my new plant room, which is not ready, by the way, but I guess I got a little bit ahead of myself, and who could blame me? The Calathea Rufibarba is also sometimes known as pheasant feather. You can see here how just absolutely, oh my gosh, beautiful this is. So yeah, potting soil definitely got around, but what I do with this is I usually get compressed air and just gently dust the plant off when, you know, I can see that it's really gotten into all of the nooks and crannies. But look at how beautiful this Calathea is. It's so gorgeous. I've never let myself buy one before because they do get rather big, and oh, I'm in love with this plant. I was in love with this plant immediately just from the pictures. I did purchase this plant on Etsy. I think there might be some left. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested. Oh, it's just gorgeous. It shipped from another location here in California. So it did come really quickly, and that made me really happy. It was well packaged, as you could see. The soil was still nice and damp. The plant does not really look stressed. Within, I would say, about an hour, the plant looked like it had never been in a box at all. So happy with my purchase, and so thrilled to finally have like my first plant for my plant room. Thanks for watching with me, and until next time, be well and take care.